Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to soft proof in Darktable. So soft proofing is a crucial utility located in the dark room view. It simulates how your image will appear on a specific output device, such as printer or a different display. So to activate soft proofing is go head over to the darkroom tab, and then you will see here on the more bottom right corner, you will see some icons right down here. And soft proofing, it looks like a small printer or square right here. So if you click that, you will see now here on the left side that this soft proofing is activated. Now you can use shortcut, which is Control S. So if I can hit that, now you can see on the left side when it's activated. Uh, okay, now we can configuring the simulation. Now we can right click here on this icon, and it will open up the configuration dialog. Then we have soft proof profile. Select the just a moment. Okay, here select specific paper and printer combination, like that. Okay, you can add also custom profiles. And then you have display profile. Ensure this sets to your system display profile if you are using a calibrated monitor. Now, while soft proofing is activated, use the gamut check tool right next to the soft proof icon to identify problematic colors. So let's go and find that. Gamut checking is right here on the right side of the soft proofing. Now we are in this gamut check. So shortcut is Ctrl G. Now the areas of the image that the target printer cannot reproduce will be highlighted in cyan. Use the color balance RGB or color equalizer models to pull this specific color back into gamut. So you have these color equalizers right here in this tab. So with that tool right under the colors, you can set these uh, models to pull these specific colors back into gamut. And this is basically, this is how you can how to use soft proofing in Darktable. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.